Good afternoon, everyone. Update address traffic, guys. Going to Banilad. Itong i-update ang traffic matagadlaw. Normal traffic situation. Be careful ta dre ha, be careful ta dre kay nay mo gawas sulod sa sakyanan, gawas ang sulod. Nay mo gawas nasa mo sulod. Be careful ta dre. Thank you for watching, everyone. Come and join here, Cebu, Philippines. The Pad Co-Living. Amping ta matagadlaw. No replay accident. Thank you for watching, everyone from Philippines. Thank you for watching. And also from Mexico, thank you for watching. Indonesia, Australia, America, United States, thank you for watching, everyone. See you, bye bye.